Priyanka. Welcome back to my show, The Remarkables. The Rangrado 1st of May Stadium in Pyongyang, North Korea is the largest football stadium in the world. It was built in 1989. The Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad is the largest cricket stadium in the world. It was renovated in 2020. The Boeing Everett factory in Everett, Washington, USA is the largest building in the world by volume. It was built in 1967 and has been expanded several times. The Palace of Parliament in Bucharest, Romania is the heaviest building in the world. It is the seat of the Romanian Parliament. It is also the second largest administrative building in the world. The Pentagon is the largest. The Steamboat Geyser at the Yellowstone National Park in US is the tallest active geyser in the world. The geyser has two vents. The Ain Dubai at Dubai, UAE is the largest Ferris wheel in the world. It was opened in 2021. The Murantar gold mine is the largest gold mine in the world by production. It is in Uzbekistan. The Empenin gold mine is the deepest gold mine in the world. It is 4 kilometers deep. It is in South Africa. The Lambert Glacier is the largest glacier in the world. It is in East Antarctica.